Hi, hello viewers, welcome to the show. Today that we're gonna look Dear Zindagi movie teaser.
Yes.
So we'll watch the teaser first of all,
Yeah.
and after that we'll
Maybe
give
it's
the
not
comments.
a one teaser. It's again 5
Yeah,
takes.
it's kind of a total book, right?
Yeah,
it's,
kind
it's
of.
having a 5 chapter in that movie.
Yes.
So first chapter called Life is a Game.
Yeah.
So first of all we'll look on it, and
Sure.
after that we'll give the comments.
Yes. Dia Zindagi Take 1. No production.
मेरे डैड हर संडे मुझे यहाँ लाएगा
English
सामने
director.
से बड़ी क्या
Did you see the movie English?
Yes.
Ajit and Alia. It's nice, right? Kabaddi, kabaddi. He looks nice with his hair and beard, right?
I just want to be free. मैं आजाद होना चाहती हूँ सबसे.
मैं भी चाहता हूँ तुम आजाद हो जाओ
Free.
ओ वाह
Well done, I think.
अरे टाइम्स अप हाँ मैं भी फ्री हो गया सॉरी
Did you got that? So releasing 25th November. Yeah, it's lovely, right?
Yeah, it's a kind of love between daughter and the father, or
Maybe. I don't think it's a daughter and the father. Maybe it's an.
I have no clue on it. We'll see. We'll
Yeah.
watch the second chapter,
Really,
and yeah.
it's Dia Zindagi Take 2. You're gonna watch. Always recycle.
Okay. The second chapter called Always Recycle.
सो आई एम जहांगीर खान तो मुझे जग बुला सकती
एक गिलास पानी मिलेगा?
है यस ऑफ
सब है जग. जग.
Jack.
आई एम श्योर तुम इससे अच्छे जोक कर सकती हो मैं तुम्हें कायरा बुला सकता
मेरा एक ही है.
I love this music. Oh, she's a film director.
तो आप साइकिल्स भी रिपेयर करते हो?
हूँ कोशिश करता हूँ और अगर रिपेयर नहीं होते तो रिसाइकिल करता हूँ
साइकिल को
Recycle.
Ira, you have to crack better jokes, please.
अगर लोग रिपेयर नहीं हो सके क्या आप उनको भी रिसाइकिल करते हो?
Yes.
Yeah, it's totally mixed up fun,
Yeah.
which includes in this movie. But what do you think about this?
I think this maybe the director have a good humor sense. I know because English a script like with humors and love and
Yes.
sentimental everything.
Mhm.
So now we take a look at the Dear Zindagi Take 3. Sorry, 3.
Love breakup.
Yes.
Repeat.
आज कोई बड़े ही म्यूजिकल मूड में
जिसके ये दिल पे गड़ने लगा है तू ही है.
एक्सक्यूज मी
रात को मैं एक बैंड को सुनने गई थी.
कौन सा बैंड है बताओ कहाँ तुम गई थी
बैंड का नाम I don't know but
She's
singer
damn
I
cute.
know.
So tell me more
She is
more. Tell me more.
Sansa, right?
प्यार में अंधे हो गए हो क्या? Am I invisible?
It's self-fun.
Rubbish, बकवास, irritating. Hate couples. Romantic relationships
love this character. Love, break up, repeat. This is kind of title, right? For this take 3 of Dear Zindagi. Now we're gonna
It's
watch.
a kind of a commercial movie which includes everything, na?
Yeah.
So if one person's life, what will happen? Definitely,
Yes.
we will
Like-
love to live in a free way,
Yeah.
and after that we'll commit into the love
Love.
things. And after
Yeah.
it will be break up.
Maybe, yes. So
To
take a look at
everyone.
the take 4, right?
Sure.
Yes, it's time
Set
to take a
free,
look at
yeah.
the Dear Zindagi take.
Yeah, after that breakup, we should set free our
Yeah.
mind.
Hmm.
बचपन में जब रोना आता है तो बड़े कहते हैं आंसू पूछो, तो गुस्सा आता है बड़े कहते हैं किस स्माइल, ताकि घर की शांति बनी रहे। नफरत करना चाहते हैं तो इजाजत नहीं दी। तब जब हम प्यार करना चाहते हैं तो पता चलता है कि सारा इमोशनल सिस्टम में गड़बड़ा गया, काम नहीं कर रहा, कैन नॉट फंक्शन। रोना, गुस्सा, नफरत कुछ भी खोलकर एक्सप्रेस नहीं करने दिया, तो प्यार कैसे एक्सप्रेस करें?
Just go to
तो अल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन ने कहा पागल वो होता है जो रोज रोज सेम काम करता है मगर चाहता है कि नतीजा रहता।
It's
Okay.
everything mixed up with this small teasers, right? Love, hating, fighting, smiling, singing, and this kind of
Everything.
crying. Swipe right to Zindagi. This is the last one, right? Last
Yes,
day.
this is the final day.
Yeah. It's nice to watch it.
I now deserve.
Swipe
Finally!
right.
You deserve so much better, you know that. I know, but life is so hard. Yeah. सब कुछ, boys, dating, relationship, love. I know exactly what you mean. The confusion, the indecision, the butterflies, and the jealousy, so much drama. And how do I meet someone? Where do I meet him? And is there something like the one? And what is this perfect one exactly? What nonsense is it? I mean, I know life में कोई perfect नहीं होता है, but मेरे लिए तो कोई perfect होना चाहिए ना? But कहाँ? और अगर मिल भी गया तो what do I say? What do I do? Should I go on a date? What should I wear? And most importantly, what should I wear? Because I never have any. Yeah, and once you do start dating, what do you call it? I mean, what are we? And then should I introduce you to my friends? What if my friends don't like him? Then should I break up with him? Then how do I break up with him? And then you missed him. And there we go. Again.
True story, na?
Yes. Like us.
Yeah.
Mad Gus.
Awesome.
You know what? जिंदगी इतनी भी खराब नहीं है. There are lots of nice people. You know, you take a shot, maybe you hit it off. Just go with the flow, one step at a time. Right? Ooh, he's hot. You know what? I think your zindagi loves you. Yeah, I love zindagi too.
Love you,
Oh.
We do these kind of silly things now.
Yeah. It's not. It's not seems to be the different thing. It's real happen things,
Because
right?
the
In our
teaser
life
is
too.
explaining each and every feelings and emotions of the girl, na?
Yes,
So
every
it's
young
really-
girls.
Exactly.
Some kind of. So they the film teams try to doing a new thing with this teaser releasing. It's not a normal teaser like others release. It's a new thing.
New thing.
They're doing it's a take a 5
And
parts
it's
and
a
release as
Shah Rukh G film.
Yeah.
So everyone love to watch.
Yes.
Everyone eagerly waiting for that movie.
Yeah, sure. And Alia Bhatt is the main role.
Exactly. She's damn
So
cute.
boys, you guys are gonna crazy after this watching this film, Dear Zindagi. I'm damn sure about that, right?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Package of fully funny things. It's really awesome. I'm really waiting for that.
Yes, I'm also really waiting for that, and we definitely know you guys are really waiting for this movie, right? So
Totally entertainment movie.
Yes.
You guys should watch this.
Definitely. So that's all for now. right? We catch you another trailer reaction or taste the
And
reaction.
please
with-
don't forget to subscribe our Salt
Yes,
YouTube
definitely.
channel, and please like our Salt Facebook page.
Yeah, it's called It's Salt. So like us our page, and you will get more entertainment news and more videos. Subscribe to Salt. We'll catch you another Salt reaction video. Until then, signing out. This is Christina and Priya.
Priya,
Take care.
see you. Bye.
Bye bye.